Click on the link below to get price. The MartinLogan Motion 60XTi Floorstanding speaker in Red Walnut is a stunning addition to any audiophile setup, combining aesthetic elegance with impressive acoustic performance. Upon unboxing, the first thing that strikes you is the meticulous craftsmanship. The red walnut finish is exquisite, adding a touch of sophistication that complements a variety of interior styles. The build quality feels robust, ensuring durability while maintaining a sleek profile. When it comes to sound performance, the Motion 60XTi truly excels. It features a unique design that includes a folded motion tweeter, which delivers crisp, detailed highs without any harshness, a quality that is often hard to find in speakers at this price point. The mid-range is equally impressive, providing rich vocals and an immersive experience for both music and movie soundtracks. The bass response is powerful yet articulate, thanks to dual 8-inch woofers, which manage to fill the room without overwhelming the other frequencies. Whether you're listening to orchestral music or thumping bass-heavy tracks, the Motion 60XTi handles it all with remarkable ease. Setting up the speakers is straightforward, and their relatively compact size means they can fit comfortably in various spaces. However, to truly appreciate their capabilities, positioning them away from walls and ensuring proper spacing is essential. Users will also benefit from experimenting with angles to optimize sound staging. One consideration is that these speakers are best paired with a high-quality amplifier to maximize their potential. Lower-powered receivers may not fully unleash the dynamic range that the Motion 60XTi can deliver. Overall, the MartinLogan Motion 60XTi Floorstanding speaker in Red Walnut impresses with its combination of aesthetic charm and powerful sound performance. It is an investment well worth making for those serious about their audio experience, delivering clarity and depth that truly elevates listening sessions to new heights.